In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use automation with forms in HubSpot. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to get to your forms area, start a new form using a template, and follow the on-screen prompts so you can quickly tie your forms into your automated processes. First, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look toward the top navigation bar and find the Marketing tab. Go ahead and click on Marketing. This is where HubSpot keeps most of your tools related to attracting and engaging your audience, including emails, landing pages, and of course, forms. Once you're inside the marketing section, look for the option labeled Forms. This might appear in a drop-down menu or as a separate item in the navigation, depending on your layout. Click on Forms. This will open the main forms area where you can see all the forms you've already created, along with options to manage and organize them. On the Forms page, you'll see a button that says Create Form. Click on Create Form to begin building a new form. This is the starting point for any form you want to use with your automations, whether that's for lead capture, event registration, or simple contact updates. Taking a moment here to name your form clearly can really help you stay organized later, especially when you're working with multiple automated workflows. After you click Create Form, HubSpot will bring you to a screen where you can choose how you want to build it. Here, you'll see an option to Use Template. Click on Use Template. Templates are a great way to move faster because they give you a pre-built structure, usually with common fields like name, email, and phone number already in place. You can always customize these fields later, so don't worry if the template isn't perfect right away. Once you've chosen to use a template, simply follow the on-screen prompts. HubSpot will guide you step by step through editing the fields, adjusting the form options, and setting things like the submission message or redirect page. As you move through these prompts, take your time to review each option, especially anything related to notifications, automation, or follow-up actions, because this is where your form starts to work together with your broader marketing workflows. When you're done following the prompts, review your settings, then save and publish your form so it's ready to use with your automation.